In today's video, I am going to teach you how to study smartly with Google Notebooklm. To get started, open Google Notebooklm in your browser. Once you are on the main page, look for the button that says plus create new and click it. This is where each study project begins, so it helps to name your notebook in a way that matches what you are learning, especially if you plan to make more than one. After you click create new, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is where you add your study materials, also called sources. Notebooklm can pull in information from a few different places, including PDFs, web URLs, and files from your Google Drive. Take a moment to choose the format that matches what you already have. If you are using PDFs, make sure they are readable and not blurry scans because clean text helps Notebooklm give stronger answers. If you are using links, choose reliable pages that focus on the exact topic you are studying. Now add sources about Smartly. You can include class notes, lecture slides saved as PDFs, articles, or any other materials you trust. The more focused your sources are, the more useful your results will be. It is better to upload a few high-quality sources than a large pile of unrelated content. Once your sources are loaded, look to the right sidebar. You will see a section called Studio. This area includes helpful tools like audio overview and video overview. These features are useful when you want a quick summary in a different format or when you want to review while doing something else. Keep Studio in mind as your review hub while you study. Next, go to the chat box at the bottom. This is where you will ask questions directly based on your uploaded sources. Type a specific question using clear wording. For example, instead of asking for a general explanation, ask for key concepts, definitions, or comparisons that matter for your assignment or test. Specific questions lead to clearer, more study-ready answers. When Notebooklm responds, save the best information as you go. Click the Save to Note icon on any response you want to keep. This pins it to your board, so your strongest explanations, summaries, and points can be collected in one place for easy review later. That covers everything you need to know.